Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by unlocking the phone and opening settings. This minimizes delay. Tap network and internet or connections depending on your OS because the data controls live there. Once done, locate mobile data, data usage, or cellular options, different names but the same place. You need access to the carrier and app-level lists. Grant permissions if prompted. Make sure to note whether you use a dual SIM, since data history can be separated by SIM and requires selecting the correct line before proceeding. Next, you focus on app-level history to remove detailed records. Tap an app and data usage to see sent and received bytes, choose clear data, or reset statistics to wipe its counters. If you use a system option to reset network stats, it clears aggregate counters across apps. Use that for a clean slate. Meanwhile, check messaging and streaming apps separately because they may store usage logs. Once cleared, reboot or toggle airplane mode to force the system to rebuild fresh statistics. Finally, remember some history lives with your carrier. Open your carrier app or web account and review usage records. You can often request deletion or download a statement. Do that if required for privacy. After local and carrier actions, verify by checking data usage again and ensuring counters reset. If something goes wrong, toggle mobile data, restart the device, and install pending OS updates. These actions resolve sync issues. If data still appears, contact carrier support and request a manual refresh or record purge.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.